Hey guys, it's Rob from Rad Projects here. We are going to be taking the PTV to the Princess Auto Inventors Fair. Out of 200 applicants, I was one of 40 finalists that was selected to display the PTV at the Inventors Fair. And it's not just any Inventors Fair now, there are some pretty big prizes at stake. In fact, they are going to be judging 6 different categories, each of which has a prize of $5,000. So our chances of taking home a big win today are pretty good. I'm feeling really good about this. I think the PTV is unique enough, uses enough Princess Auto products that we should be able to take home a win. If not, I think it's going to be a really exciting day. So first thing we need to do is get this thing loaded up onto the trailer and get ourselves ready to go. All right, we got the PTV strapped down into the trailer and we're pretty much ready to go. I think there's just one last thing we need to do here, and that's yeah, that ain't going anywhere. Almost ready to go here. I've got the last couple things in the truck, so I'm gonna bring a TV. We're gonna show some of the YouTube videos of the PTV build. And I've got a little treat that I'm gonna be handing out at the fair to anybody who stops by the booth. It's just a little sticker for the channel. That'll be pretty cool to I've got a 10 by 10 tent just so I can have some shelter if it's going to be hot and sunny or cloudy and rainy. A chair because it's going to be a long day. I have 2 poster boards that kind of give a summary of the track, PTV track vehicle build. So I thought these would be kind of neat to have out. One's a little bit more vintage. It has that popular mechanics feel. And this is just another one here. It's basically the same information, just a little bit different format. I thought these looked pretty cool, so we'll have these out on the seat of the vehicle while it's on display. That's about all I have for tonight. I think we're all ready to go. In the morning, we're gonna hit the road bright and early down to the Princess Auto headquarters here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Good morning. It's about 6:45 on event day. Last night we got the PTV all loaded up. We got all of our supplies in the truck there, and I think we're ready to go. So let's hit the road and get to this event. Well, we are finally on the road this morning, but that was not without its challenges. I went to start the PTV, make sure it was warmed up and ready to go. Once I got to the fair for unloading, it wouldn't give me any problems. And second pull, the pull string for the recoil starter broke. I managed to get that fixed because I do have a donor engine that has, for the most part, all of the same components that are on this 13 horsepower. So I was able to quickly grab that pull cord, install it on this recoil, and we're good to go. Now the Princess Auto Inventors Fair is not something new, but they haven't done it in quite a while. I think the last time they did it was in 2013. I happened to be one of the entrants there. Again, I had a small hydraulically powered tractor that I put into the show. They didn't have the same type of prizes like we did this time, but it was still a fun day to be able to show off my work and talk to a whole bunch of people. In the end, it was just a fun experience overall, and that's kind of what I'm looking forward to today. Again, I think this type of machine is really going to engage a lot of people, and they're going to find it really interesting. Well, we have arrived, and we are just about to start unloading, so we're going to get the PTV unhooked, and we're going to be going in the tent right over there. So let's get started with unloading this beast. our setup. We've got our info board there. We're going to be showing some of the build time lapse on the TV there. All right, we're all unloaded. This is our spot, and we got to go move the truck now and take a look around. But already I am seeing a lot of really fantastic inventions here. This is pretty exciting. We got a powered snowblower, a drift bike, a mini excavator. This thing is super cool. It is a little Caterpillar loader. We have another little loader. It's all self-contained. To be quite frank, there's a lot of really good projects here.
My name's Rob Dolinsky. I'm from Grand Point, Manitoba. I had a bunch of extra parts sitting around in the garage, and I said, well, let's do something fun with this rather than having all of this stuff sitting around. So here we are. What is it? Well, I call it a personal track vehicle. People might call it other things like a snow dog or an ATV, but I like personal track vehicle. So it's meant to be used in the wintertime more than any other time of the year. Why did I build it? Because I could. I mean, why not? It is a hydraulically driven, dual track, generally snow machine. In total, it took 6 weeks from start to finish, so it was a really quick build. When I started putting it together, I knew, okay, I need 4 kind of major components. I broke it up into sections, so I'm like, okay, I need 2 track units that can drive this machine. I need an engine power unit that I can use to power the tracks, and I need a chassis. Once I broke it down to those 4 components, super easy. Build them, put them together, you're done. You might know a part of what you want to do, and you can look at some other concepts or videos out there and start to pull ideas. Oh, I like that idea from this video. I like that idea from that design. And you can kind of start to glue all these ideas together. And the great thing is that when you're watching videos like that, you can see how do people do it. You can start to reciprocate, and those ideas that you put together, you can post out there, you can put out onto the world and let other people kind of use that for their projects.
Well, we've been going for about 6 hours now, and we've had a really good response. Everybody's really enjoying the fair overall, lots of cool things to see. Everybody's really enjoying the PTV as well. It's been, a lot of fun just blabbing with people, talking about building stuff. Well, it's time to clean up the booth. Everybody loved the PTV. It's been a really great day. I'm exhausted. That's a wrap for the presentation part of the Inventors Fair. There is going to be a supper, a banquet type of gathering this evening where they'll be announcing the winners of those prizes. Well, the awards are over, and I'm sad to say that didn't take anything home, but overall today was an absolutely outstanding day. I had a blast being able to showcase my PTV to everybody that came by Princess Auto, and to show the Princess Auto staff that what they do really helps support projects that I'm doing and anybody else out there who builds stuff. So I really appreciate the opportunity to be able to come and, like I say, exhibit my PTV today. And I'm excited to be able to look forward to the next one. But till then, thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you later.